IRT has procured as part of its property coverage what's called business income loss and extra expense coverage. That coverage should apply whenever there is a forced suspension of normal business operations resulting in a loss.
A lawsuit filed against the Cincinnati Casualty Company claims the insurer should cover the Indiana Repertory Theater's losses and pay the amounts owed under the policy. But the insurance company claims,
unless there has been damage done to the structure, a tree has fallen on it, a tornado has struck, then the business income and extra expense coverage is not triggered.
Peter Racher, the attorney for the IRT, says the theater expects to lose anywhere between $500,000 to $1 million after being forced to close.
The law in Indiana for a generation has been clear that if there is a reasonable ambiguity in the policy, then a court is required to construe that ambiguity in favor of coverage.
Butler University professor and director of the Davie Risk Management and Insurance Program, Zachary Finn, says it's all going to come down to the fine print.
One of the things that insurance companies did over the last few years with SARS and MERS is they issued these ISO exclusion for virus and bacteria.
Meaning a lot of policies don't cover virus outbreaks. Finn says business owners looking at IRT situation should go back over their policy. But odds are they're not insured.
It would be too expensive to buy.
He says some large corporations probably have insurance to cover them during the COVID-19 pandemic.
When you get to be as large as Eli Lilly or the NCAA, you actually have the option to make your own insurance.
We reached out to the Cincinnati Casualty Company about the lawsuit, and they've chosen not to comment at this time. Finn hopes insurance companies find a way to help businesses recover.
One of the things the insurance industry has to think about is, they exclude these losses. How much are they going to pay in litigation, and would it just be cheaper and in the best interest of the country to just go ahead and kick in some money?
Aaron Cantrell, CBS 4 News.